Does bra size matter? How much does a girl's physical appearance really matter? What should they do to avoid drama? Turn-offs or pet peeves when it comes to girls? Are you guys virgins? If you guys are parents of these kiddos, turn this off. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Today I'm going to be doing a video where I ask you guys questions and my guy friends answer those questions.
Cruz Wheeler, I'm 17 and I am in a relationship with the best girl ever.
Zach Argo, relationship status, kind of complicated. 17.
I'm Caden, I'm 17 and I'm taken.
I'm Noel, I'm the youngest one here, I'm 16 and I'm single.
I'm Jay, I'm 17 and I'm taken, and my Instagram is...
No, my God.
I'm Ben Adams, I'm the oldest one here, I'm 19 and I am single.
He's the one with the friend that I traveled to go see. That got 2.4 million views, by the way. F you, Colton.
Love ya. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Alright, intermission. Jay's gone now. But basically, these guys, they're from my hometown, and I've known them since I was like 7 years old. It's 2 AM while I'm editing this, that's why I look like this, but I just want to mention before this video starts that my friends are vaping in this video, but I don't encourage it at all. I've never hit a Juul, Breeze, or Nord. I've never used one in my life, and I don't encourage you guys to. I literally tell them every single time I see them doing it to not do it, and I don't encourage it at all. So I asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram for my guy friends. They're gonna answer them. Do guys send screenshots of their texts to their friends?
No.
Dude, do they do that in the girls group chat?
They do that?
Yeah.
Girl.
Yo, do they do that? Do they send screenshots of like...
Yeah. Do you guys like it when girls act dumb? Like naive and just like, ah, like really?
No, not a chance.
No.
Give freshman girls advice about like the senior guys.
What advice do I give
talk
them?
to
Yeah.
Stay on the right side of the hallway.
Oh, okay, I have something. So when you're at a party and a guy's like whipping around his lanyard, he's like, I'll drive you home. Do you need a ride home? It's a trap!
Do it.
Oh, I wonder who's ever trapped a girl doing that.
What are some turn-offs or pet peeves when it comes to girls?
Their friends are big, like if they have shitty friends.
Like, but that's true.
Yeah,
If
cigarettes
you see a
are-
chick with a cig,
cigarettes
it's a real
are-
bad
yeah.
turn-on.
Okay,
Always
yeah.
wanting attention gets f***ing tiring.
Yeah, that's exhausting. Yeah, same thing like when they act dumb, that drives me nuts. When they act like they don't know, it's like you do.
What are some things that if you looked at a girl that would make her above other girls that you'd be like, oh damn, like I really like her? Like
Titties.
Now did you pet your titties?
My what?
Your titties.
I don't know, I don't really get to choose
Is that
the
a
girl I
robot?
be with. I'm just the cleanup crew.
Oh my god.
Wow. It's
Not
kind of like
gay.
a bash on your entire channel, but if she's not basic, then don't. Just don't. Be like the other girls.
Be a little bit genuine.
Be a little bit unique. Be a little bit different. Some girls are like carbon copied. You see like a group of them and they're all just like the same person. Just be like different.
my camera's gonna die. I have another battery in my car. Give me a second.
12 seconds later.
Okay, this is our time for our Instagram shoutouts, boys.
Okay,
alright,
okay. J-A-Y-B.
Got him!
Acting like a man.
Oh yeah, no, okay, that's
Like one of the boys, like
like
trying
one
to
of the
watch
boys.
two boys.
Yeah.
This drives me nuts.
Are you ever talking to a girl and you can tell that like you say one of your interests and she's like,
Oh my god, yeah, I love that.
but you're
Oh
talking
yeah,
about like
yeah,
She
that's
just
so
agrees
annoying.
to
and you're like, yo,
everything
no,
you
so
say.
annoying.
you don't like that.
Why do guys suddenly get interested right after you're finally over them?
They want what they can't have.
Bingo right there.
Do you guys leave girls on open on purpose?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
I leave
What-
everybody
No, I
on
don't.
open.
What's the reason?
Well, like,
Because I don't wanna
wanna
talk
talk to them anymore.
If you like a girl,
I'll
what
respond to her
What are you gonna
snaps.
do?
I don't
Like,
know,
what's your guys' game?
Don't be overbearing. Don't be like, don't snap them like 3 or 4 times in a day. If a conversation dies, it
2
dies.
snaps a day, that's it.
If a conversation dies, don't like force it.
Hey,
Just be like,
bye,
all
bye.
right.
Bye bye.
What do you guys prefer in girls looks-wise?
I like a beautiful personality.
You do.
I'm
Say a girl was
6'4".
5'8", 5'9", would you be okay
No,
with that?
that's pretty tall.
I'm not really picking who I date
tried.
based on height, though.
No, it's
See,
just
like if you were really like down for a girl though, would it matter?
No, not
No,
really.
it wouldn't.
Would you guys feel okay if a girl made the first move or shot her shot?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's fine.
Or like, what if they text first? Would you rather you like? Are you okay with
No,
that?
I think it should be both.
It's
Like,
not
you
really
should be able to.
something, yeah.
You can text them first, and they can also.
Yeah, I
text
don't
them.
think it
basketball.
matters. It's not like a girl
It shouldn't
texts me
be
first and it's like, oh, she's dead.
Yeah, it shouldn't be the guy always trying to make the first move on everything.
What should they do to avoid drama and stuff like that with guys and like the older girls?
Oh, yo, drama
Don't
in
touch
grades 9 and 10
Dude,
is
just don't
inevitable.
go
It's
to
gonna
drama
happen.
class, idiot.
That's a
It's
fact.
gonna happen. You just have to power
go to
through
grade
and
9 or
just
10.
live with it.
So like, what would you tell them to like avoid at all costs being like the girl that's talked about by like the older people?
Be a hoe.
Jay, so what do you
Relentlessly
mean
for
by
making
don't be a hoe?
Don't 20 boys in a week.
So 19 is okay?
Yeah,
Sure. If one of them's me.
Yeah, same thing.
What would you tell them if like the senior guy was like, yeah, like I'm really into you, blah 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 blah?
Depends how far, like how long you've been at that school. Like if you just got to school and they're saying all that stuff, they're just trying to get in your pants.
Yeah.
Bingo.
What would you do like to hint at a girl that you like her, or would you just tell her directly? Like what are some things that you guys do?
I'd probably just tell.
Ask him to hang out.
What is like that unspoken like weird thing that you guys find attractive about girls? Like that weird thing that like isn't like supposed to be what it is.
Nice teeth. Yeah, nice teeth and a nice smile.
I remember in middle school you guys would say the dumbest shit, like when a girl takes her hoodie and she ties it. Her bum looks nice. It'd be the dumbest shit.
It covers her bum.
Were you guys scared of sex?
No.
Oh, Zach.
I get it. With girls, it's like, I think most girls are, it's like you don't know what to do and you're scared. So like, what about guys? Or is it kind of just like whatever?
I think it's kind of just whatever.
I feel like guys, you're just thinking, are the boys gonna roast me or not? Yeah, I can't speak for all guys, because some guys really aren't picky.
Yeah.
But I feel like the group of us is super picky.
What's the question?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like
wouldn't
we're
go
really,
smart.
like we're super picky.
I want to lose my virginity when I had a girlfriend.
Next question.
Some guys are like, if it moves, whatever, and then we're like picky.
Why do guys like to play games and like never actually commit?
I think girls like to play games way more than guys do.
Yeah.
What girls are saying is like, why do guys always like they say that they like me, but like they won't ever actually date me or blah blah blah. Like what is that
guys
about?
want to be free.
Yeah, guys want to be free.
Answer this, no.
Yo,
Answer
Kate.
this question.
Yo, okay.
I'm gonna expose myself if I answer this one.
What is bro code? Like what are some things that are
Okay,
like
well,
rules?
first of all, bro code, the first rule is to not talk about to any girls. So we can't.
How much does a girl's physical appearance really matter? Like talk
A
about
lot.
Yo,
A lot.
off the start,
Off the start.
A
A lot of stuff's hype. A lot of it's hype.
Like
the
for me,
start,
yeah,
a lot.
and then after that, it's kind of like.
Off the bat, it's everything.
Okay, yeah.
You
I
don't
mean,
know
like,
someone's personality.
I would never walk up and talk to a girl that I didn't find attractive.
Yeah.
But like, say like there's a girl that's like been your friend since like a long time and you just know her, then I feel like it's different. It's a different way in.
Do you guys like shy, introverted girls or like outgoing girls? Because like I know people with like shy personalities like outgoing.
Yo,
people,
I like outgoing way more.
I like
than
outgoing.
shy.
Lots of times the shy people are outgoing once you get to know them.
I feel like if I'm walking up to a party and I'm like, hey, what's up? And there's like, it's like,
They have to be easy to talk to.
yeah.
What is something
Did you
that
look
like
for the
if
grass?
a girl did, you'd be like, there's no chance I can be with this girl.
This is kind of a dig on somebody in Whitecourt, but stick their head in a tailpipe and get people to roll coal in their face. Stoners.
If she's a good two-stepper.
Yeah.
That is something that will make you.
That will.
Oh, okay.
Are we asking that won't?
That will and won't. I guess.
For once, it's definitely just smoking, like darts.
Like someone
or
does
weed.
a lot of drugs.
Like obviously you can do it like for weed. Like I say every once in a while.
When we are a
Oh,
little
that
bit-
no.
What?
Do you like it when girls are a little bit clingy?
No.
Not
Yeah.
at all.
No,
I
not
do.
even a little.
I do.
Okay, because some
like-
people
there's a
like it,
level.
like they like the attention, like
Clingy
they
is
like
the
knowing
best.
that.
But if they're not clingy, then you know that they're confident. They're not like, you know, scared.
Which one would you rather, a clingy girl or like a standoffish girl?
Clingy.
Not well. That's
I'd rather
Clingy.
Like clingy if your girl's like always like wanting to be with you and shit. I find that awesome.
guys like knowing that like they're clingy to just them.
But
Like,
I know
that's-
girls that'll like have dated some of my friends and they can't even sit in the class for 2 hours because their girlfriend's fucking spamming them on messaging.
Yeah, that's
there's a
like
point where
that's
that's too much.
literally like
Way too
obsessive.
much.
How would you feel if
hell
your
of a
girl
cut.
made the move, like asked you on a date or like asked you out?
Girl texts me, asks me to like actually do something, have a plan for once.
Like to make a plan, that'd be good.
girls are always like, oh, we should hang out. It's like, oh yeah, totally. What do you want to do?
I don't know. You pick.
We should hang out sometime. They're like, yeah. And you're like, when? And they're like,
I don't know.
just nothing. Yeah.
Like if girls ask you out, I'd rather like the guy ask them. But if they want to make a plan, like a date with you, that's cool.
So how do you guys feel when girls ask, what are we? Or like, are we gonna date or blah blah blah?
Depends how I feel about them.
depends.
Yeah.
I never get in that deep.
Does bra size
We're not
matter?
talking. No, I don't give a shit.
Nope.
You guys
No,
don't
I
care?
I don't. Do you like it when girls say bro?
No.
Why is Mai still single?
Because she's famous.
Got too many options. That's what it is.
I have a question for
She's
Mai.
waiting for that
Mai, are
California
you dating
mansion.
that boy that was on your stories and your Instagram?
My first thought of Mai,
you
she
go
was
swimming,
blowing up
you're
her
so
landline, calling Noah
Why do
like
people care
50
so much?
times a day when she was in grade 2, and my mom was like,
Sorry, Mai. You actually have to stop calling her out.
Okay, I'm going to work. Bye.
How would you know if he's into you?
if he says he's in.
Yeah.
So if you were actually into a girl, you would tell her, because some guys don't have the confidence to actually tell a girl like I like you.
I say like if you like talk to her every day, like even if it's in person or not in person, if they
If they
don't
do
have
shit
dudes
for you
every
that they
day.
wouldn't do for
Actually
everyone
trying
else.
to make plans to like do shit.
Why are y'all trash?
Oh, come on.
What really attracts you to a girl? Honestly, spill all the tea.
I like a dancer. They gotta like how to dance.
Yeah.
Like how to dance.
I feel like that goes both ways. Like
Know
girls
how to
dig a
dance.
guy who
Oh,
knows
girls
how
dig
to
a
do
guy
stuff.
that knows how to dance.
Yeah.
You say a girl that's easy to talk to.
Yeah.
It doesn't like
just personality
and doesn't end a conversation even though like you're trying to start one.
Do you care if a girl has her virginity or smokes? Smokes? Yeah.
No. Like virginity
I
depends
care,
on
I
how.
care.
No, I care. I'm saying no smoke.
Would you rather pay for the whole date or split it?
Oh wait.
I would rather split it, but
I'd
I'm gonna
rather
pay for all
the
of it.
whole-
I want to save my money, but I can't. I'm gonna pay.
Are they virgin?
Are they virgin?
If you guys are parents of these kiddos, turn this off. No, yeah. Does it sink or float?
It sinks a little bit, then it starts to float in between.
What am I to you guys? Have you guys ever liked me or had a crush on me?
I used to hate mine.
We used to hate each other back in grade 7.
Yeah.
24
So what
hours.
would you guys describe me to you, like, as our relationship?
Someone to get clout.
Yeah.
She's just a friend that I've had for. Like,
You're a friend.
How
that's-
long we been friends? Like grade
Since grade 1?
grade 1.
No, me and Maya are gonna date. We are. I mean, at least I want to.
They actually,
Shut up!
They're keeping it.
No, we're not.
Why are you hiding me?
Take him home and love him forever.
Alright, Ben is Noel's older brother,
Yeah.
who
He's also quite
is
cute.
also just a friend. Everyone's gonna be like, she's sitting on your lap. Oh my god. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I read every single one of my comments, so comment something down below. Comment who's your favorite. My social medias will be on the screen right here. If you guys want me to make more videos with these guys, comment suggestions down in the comment box. But until next time, peace. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Hey guys, it's maiphammy. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Hey guys,
It's my family here. Gang, focus up.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.